In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome full screen not working. If you're trying to make Google Chrome go into full screen mode and it's not behaving the way you expect, don't worry. This is usually a very simple thing to fix, and in most cases it only takes a few seconds. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can quickly enter full screen mode and then exit it again whenever you need to. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is active and selected on your screen, because the keyboard shortcut only works when Chrome is the window you're currently using. If you have multiple applications open, just click anywhere inside the Chrome window to bring it into focus before moving on. Once Chrome is open, go to your keyboard and press the F11 key. This is the standard shortcut used to switch Chrome into full screen mode on many computers. When you press F11, Chrome should expand to fill the entire screen. This hides things like the tabs, the address bar, and parts of your desktop, so you can focus more clearly on the page you're viewing. If it works right away, then the issue is solved. You're now in full screen mode and can browse with fewer distractions. This is especially useful when watching videos, presenting something on screen, or simply wanting a cleaner view while reading or working in the browser. To exit full screen mode, press F11 again. That same key acts as a toggle, which means it turns full screen on and off. So if Chrome is currently full screen, pressing F11 once more will bring everything back to normal, including your tabs and browser controls. If pressing F11 doesn't seem to do anything at first, make sure you're using the correct keyboard. On some keyboards, especially laptops, you may need to hold the function key, sometimes labeled FN, and then press F11. That depends on your keyboard settings, but the idea is the same. Use the full screen shortcut while Chrome is selected. That's all you need to do. Open Chrome, press F11 to enter full screen, and press F11 again to exit. It's a quick and easy fix that solves the problem for most users. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Chrome full screen working properly.